I'm going to be showing you guys on how to manage multiple email accounts on iOS 18. So you can manage multiple email accounts on iOS 18 through iCloud. Just go ahead and open your settings, and once you're here, select the first option with your name on it and just select iCloud, which is right above family. And once you're here, you could find mail right under notes. So just go ahead and tap here, and once you're there, you can see the option of addresses. After you tap on addresses, there's the option of add alias. So alias means an alternate email address. So if you have other email addresses, just go ahead and tap here and type in your new email address, your full name, your label, and tap on done, and you can add as much as email accounts as you want. It's completely your choice, and in this way you can successfully manage multiple email accounts on iOS 18. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.